I'm Londuna. I would describe myself as a socially engaged gastronomic protest artist.
My name is Gamze. I work more visually, working on installations, especially textile installations.
Got really into world building. So actually we created like a world for each happening where we move our story to. So each time like the story is like 10 or 5 years later. In this way we can combine our practices a lot. Some themes that connect us as a collective. Storytelling for sure.
Protest, food culture, rituals.
I think also with like the character we created, like GamLon.
These characters are playing around in every act, completely different context and completely different aesthetic.
It's about also this fluent identity. So that identity, it's not only coming from yourself, the external narratives that you can't control also have an effect on your position as an individual.
The first act, called Hashash Baby, we wanted to create a place that everybody would come and relax and just be there for the moment.
Every happening, we create a total experience. So this we do with smell, we do with food, we do with music. Like OG guides us actually through both happenings with like a soundscape.
Our colleague Dalal had a very heavy contract text.
And it refers a lot to the zeitgeist we live in right now. We are busy with this project and like at the same time the world starts to burn more and more. We're actually in that shift of like a new world order.
Yeah.
The contract is actually taking you into Act 2, where in a new world order is like introduced over dinner. And I think the world we created is a bit like suddenly everybody can be a terrorist.
It was very controlled, a heavily controlled dinner. Yeah. Very claustrophobic, dark, 1984 type of world. Not only the aesthetic changed, but also world rules completely changed.
We like to build these worlds to also let people experience something they've never experienced. So I think it's sometimes hard for people to imagine something what they've never been through. In our world, we're so used to it that we sometimes don't see these like deeper layers and how they can flip like this.
There is a big work behind this created world. There is a lot of artistic research happening.
We are a collective brought together by Roodkapje. We also have to find out in different ways, like where does our practice connect? What is very common within all our practices is that we have a very specific kind of research. So what we do a lot is to see like, hey, how does every individual research and what research is already been done? And in this sense, we can create a very layered artwork.
I look at performance as not like a rehearsable moment. It doesn't have to be the same, but the essence is in there, the intention and the question is the same, so you're just looking for different possible answers.